There was a couple of different things that caught our eyes. First of all, the robot itself was pretty, I would refer to as low maintenance. It didn't have a lot of moving parts. It was pretty simple. Sometimes the simple method is a lot easier to go, especially with the continuous repetition that we have on farm. And then its complete coverage, obviously, of dipping every cow has a big advantage. And then lastly was the labor savings that we would hope to achieve by putting it in. Like anything on the dairy, so much of what we do is repetition, and being able to have that same thing done correctly each and every time, it has a spillover effect. It's a compounding effect. So the more animals that we're able to continuously get coverage on, both on the pre-side and the post-side, allows us to better milk quality, udder health, lower somatic cells, lower mastitis rates, so on and so forth. So it's a compounding effect that we've seen great results from. I would definitely recommend this Teatwand just due to its simplicity, its reliability, and the fact that the coverage on each cow is optimal. We're very happy with it. The automated dairy system staff with Aaron and Doc and everybody on board took real good care of us, and been very pleased. I'd recommend it.